Hello and welcome back to Auto Charge India. Today, what we have with us is BMW's most affordable, fully fed motorcycle in the form of G310 RR. Well, in simple word, it is a TVS Apache RR310 with a rebadge engineering done and the BMW logo on it. But what does it packs in? What it has on offer at the 3 lakh rupees price range? So let's get going with the video. Starting off with the key, this is a very simple key and here's a small logo where it's written BMW and not much here over here. Well, अगर फ्रंट में बात करें लुक्स की बात करें सो दिस आपको कुछ सिमिलर सी फेयरिंग डिज़ाइन मिल जाती है सिमिलर टू दी अपाचे RR310 but look wise is really appealing and aspirational so to say. Well, on the front you get this dual pod projector LED headlight set over here which has got good throw to it. Well, यहाँ बात करें तो मिशलिन की पायलट स्ट्रीट ये आपको टायर ऑफर करते हैं 17 इंचेस के टायर है 1110 इसका क्रॉस सेक्शन है सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द टायर्स ओवर हियर. और यहाँ पे फ्रंट में आपको अपसाइड डाउन टेलीस्कोपिक FSD मिल जाते हैं विच हैज़ गॉट गुड डैम्पिंग एंड गुड कंफर्ट ऑफर गुड राइड क्वालिटी एज वेल. वेल ऑन द साइड यू विल सी यहाँ पे BMW का लोगो विच इज़ एक्चुअली द ब्रैगिंग पार्ट ऑफ ओनिंग द 310 RR. वेल यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ स्टिकरिंग दिया गया ब्लैक कलर है. यू गॉट टू वेरिएंट्स लाइक बेसिकली दैट्स अदर इज वाइट वेरिएंट जो कि BMW M Sport की लिवरी के साथ आता है एंड दिस वन इज़ द ब्लैक कलर टू इट. साइड में आप देखोगे ना तो यहाँ पे कुछ विजिबल सा पार्ट आपको यहाँ पे सब फ्रेम देखने को मिलता है. वेल ऑन द रेयर यू गेट दिस मोनोशॉक विच हैज़ गॉट द एडजस्टमेंट लाइक प्रीलोड एडजस्टमेंट का फीचर को ऑफर करता है एंड दिस इज़ द एग्जॉस्ट पाइप रनिंग ओवर हियर. वेल इंजन की बात करें तो इसमें आपको 312 सीसी का इंजन मिल जाता है जो प्रोड्यूस करता है 34 bhp एंड 27 न्यूटन मीटर ऑफ टॉर्क in the sports and the track mode, while it has got the another mode which is rain and the urban जहाँ पे power is limited to 25 bhp and 25 newton meter only. Well, यहाँ पे आपको step up seats मिलते हैं. यहाँ पे you got this key to insert and let me show you and okay so yeah you can just get it off and to access the first aid kit and nut bolt like this. I'm not able to do it right now. Okay, done. So it's not a big job over here. So it has got a good sitting triangle and riding posture is really nice. ज़्यादा strain भी नहीं आता हाथ पे या pressure आता नहीं है तो that is a good thing. That's all about it. Then coming to the steering controls over here. On the left you get these switches to control the various function and menus of this vertical oriented TFT digital screen where you got a different layout for the different driving modes. Well, which you can adjust it from here. यहाँ पे आपको switch मिलता है for the passing, high beam, low beam and pass light, hazard lights यहाँ पे switch मिलता है. Then here you get this engine start, stop and kill switch over here. So that's all about it. रेड कलर की सबको फ्रेम मिल जाती है. BMW का बैजिंग इज गिवन होगा. फ्यूल टैंक इसमें आपको 11 लीटर्स का मिल जाता है. माइलेज की बात करो तो BMW claims that it can return you around 30 km per liter, but in reality in city and highway combined we are getting it around 25 to 27 km per liter only. Well, on the rear you can see it has got some this stylish looking tail light design and layout over here, and these are the indicators. So this is how it is. Well, one good part about the BMW G310 RR is that it has got a different exhaust note compared to the Apache 310 RR. RR310 actually. Well, on the rear you also get the red disc brakes and the tires has got the 150/60 R 17-inch again Michelin Street Pilot tire. But one drawback about this tires is that they doesn't offer well grip. Let's get to the TFT and toggle what option you get. Well, on first starting off you get this BMW logo coming up, some good animation. यहाँ पे आपको different gear levers का मिल जाता है. Then on the left you'll see it's a RPM which is a tachometer. On the right you get this again. So basically it's both a tachometer given over here and here is the speedometer and this is a sports mode which is showing right now. यहाँ पे timer मिलता है. Now right now I just on the hazard lights. तो for that reason यहाँ पे हो रहा था neutral which is showing. On the left you get the fuel gauge, right on the oil temperature and some basics data over here. So this was all about the BMW G310 RR. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and do subscribe to the channel.